Operation steps of 6-station turntable brass processing machine. Place the brass bar above the sensor handle when sending the brass bar. The brass rod closely contacts a semi-finished brass terminal in front of the brass rod. If there is a semi-finished brass terminal in front of the brass rod,
如果没料的情况下呢？
没料的话，你就放到前面去以后，然后这里不一个料。前面如果没有料的话，你这里自动的话，这个画面这里要。
If there is no semi-finished brass terminal in front, please insert the brass rod and press feeding debug. Then press start. After pressing pause, each station will complete the current action and enter the stop state. Press pause again to start the machine. Press pause and wait for each station to stop, then press stop. The motor will stop rotating, the pneumatic clamp will also stop working, and the brass rod raw material will be released, which can be removed manually.